We're going to Home Depot. I don't know, where do you think the boys are gonna go? In here or Tyler's car?
Alright, what's the narrative?
Infiltrate the dealer, find the supplier. We're going to Home Depot to find the supplier. Everyone's saying, oh, I can't find wholesale distributors. We're going to it. Home Depot, the biggest one. 150 million stores worldwide.
150. That's insane.
Oh, we can get a plant here actually. Tyler said I might buy a plant for my desk. The old rickety cart, ready to go. Yo, we should get this for the podcast area, or for the studio. Dude, this is like a cartoon cactus. Oh, look at this. See, this is nice, like a ponytail palm. Theme song.
Dun, 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 dun.
That used to be a tree. Now it's not a tree. Dude, this is a nice smoker.
I hate how they put the protection for like really cheap, like right there. So you look at that, it catches your eye.
Yeah.
And you realize how much it actually is.
Marketing. Are smokers just grills that you just put wood underneath? Oh, this is a grill. It's just a wood pallet grill. See, now what's the difference between the circular drum and
So with the smoke.
Oh, it like circulates.
And the heat, yeah.
So that's for more flavor. This is for what? Not flavor. Look, this one's got a flat top. You make pizza on it. See, pizza. This is like somebody's Porsche, like this weed whacker. Like this is their like Royal Rumble, you know, with the Roby. I'm gonna go check out the plants.
We gotta go outside.
Yeah, we're gonna go outside. Ready? We're in the store, but we're outside. Oh, here we go. Plants. I want something that's leafier, but that won't die you. Something like this. This is like a succulent leaf. This is not bad.
Why are they all green?
Oh, because we have purple filters in our eyes. If you take them off, they'll be yellow.
You're right.
These aren't bad. They're kind of big. Like they're a little bonsai tree would be cool.
Today we're in the Home Depot, and Mr. Weber is guarding our secure wood, and Tyler's on a side quest to get some circular saws, because we're gonna make some platforms today.
Then you need to cut to Tyler, and it's just like like elevator music of him walking through the aisles. Tyler. Is this ours? Wait, where the hell did they?
Oh, there they are.
This is how you get kicked out.
Yo.
Prep Olympics, I'm gonna be judging it. I have no idea what I'm like talking about. Well, we gotta do like a pallet, building a pallet. So we're gonna have like mock boxes. We gotta like make empty boxes and just have you like build a pallet out, but it has to be under the weight limit. Remember we do everyone's math?
I'm taking that one home.
Mr. OCD, you're losing every round.
No,
$700?
That's not your front door though. This is like a door to your office.
$700 just to get into your closet.
It's a barn door, see? But
That's
look,
insane.
There's no other half of it though. Oh, turf. It came, look.
Turf, baby.
Look, we got extra. Dude, let's go. We gotta put this up.
Yo, that could have been really bad.
For you.
Yeah. All right, what do you think?
How do the plants look with the cars?
Today we are sweeping and organizing for Joe B, because he's a little sick right now, so we want a clean work environment when he comes home. Step one in sweeping, you grab the broom. First you have to acquire the broom, and you grab it, you find the dirt, you slowly push it into the center. You make a little pile. Right, step one, make the pile. Step two, have your assistant grab the pickup bucket. Here you go, assistant. And then step two is you sweep it into the bucket.
It's only step 2.
Technically like step 4, but we're in step 2 right now. Step 3, back him up with the bucket so that you can make a secondary pile, like so.
I see what you did there.
You see what I'm doing? Tell him to back up a little more because he's hogging your space with the bucket. And then you continue to do that, back up, sir, until the mess is gone. And then when there's a little, look, you just like push it away. You forget about the little pieces, and then that's your steps in sweeping. Make the warehouse look nice and clean. Joe B.
That was good.
That's all.
Tune in next week and we're gonna teach you how to use a pallet jack.
Prep Olympics. Stay tuned. We need everyone in it.
Would you?
This would be a whole Hold that
5.
activity.
TJ 6. Joe B 7. Now Joe B's a judge in the panel. Actually, Fope said he wanted to be a
Yeah,
judge.
Pope said he wants to be the judge.
Yeah, Fope, you're not participating in Prep Olympics, right?
No, I thought I was a judge.
You want to be a judge? You want to participate? Do you think you can beat the
Judge.
competition?
Beat the competition?
Yeah.
He's
I
scared.
think it'd be an easy win.
I don't know. I feel like Tyler should be the judge, though. Honestly, yeah, Tyler should be the judge. Because Tyler will know more than I will.
Who would be my partner?
You don't have a partner. You just do it solo.
wanna
Solo
do-
dolo.
What are you guys doing?
Building tables. We already got one done over there.
Vitamin C.
It's spray adhesive, so be careful.
Mmm.
Saying that wrong my entire life.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
You've been saying I go outside to soak up some vitamin C?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it works like that.
Maybe I have said vitamin D before, I just said C now. I don't know.
What's we mean?
Yeah, but
It's so comfortable.
See, guys, a lot of these other Amazon guys, they'll just pay for equipment in their warehouse, but we buy and make. We buy and make.
I mean, to be fair,
Floor-
like the ones that you could buy are shitty anyway.
Made in America.
We're always in the grid. Made in America. See, we still work. We don't just pay our way for convenience. It's American made. It's that easy, guys. You want to make some extra money for Amazon FBA, you don't know where to start? Go to Home Depot, take out an FHA loan, and buy all of the landscaping equipment. Then you're gonna lease a G-Wagon under the LLC that you opened the same day, and then you're gonna do landscaping under the G-Wagon, and the G-Wagon's gonna be a write-off for your LLC. And then you're gonna save up $12,000 in the first week after doing landscaping for everyone. And then you're gonna open up a SMMA service, social media marketing agency.